Hello, fantastic students at Eastern Gateway Community College. My name is Dr. Stan Reeley. I'm going to be your instructor for this term, and I'm really looking forward to working with each of you and getting to know each of you better. Um, I wanted to just make this very brief welcome recording. You'll see several recordings that I'm sharing with you this term. Hope that you'll take time to review them as well. It just helps me to make a better connection with you so you can actually see that there's somebody on the other side of your computer when you're taking classes like this online. And I know taking classes online can be daunting as well. But we're going to be learning lots of things together and from each other and with each other. And so I encourage you to take time to go through the Canvas uh, course shell very, very thoroughly. Read all the information that's being provided there, all the supplemental materials. Take note of deadlines that are due. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I put in information as to how you can reach me. And I want to reassure you that I am here for your success. All right. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Um, the time will move quickly. Again, it's a fascinating course, lots to learn, and you'll continue to build onto what we learn here into subsequent courses that you'll be taking here at Eastern Gateway Community College. And it's just a privilege to be a part of your experience. So I'm looking forward to our discussion, board interactions, and of course, again, take note of due dates on assignments that are that you'll be turning in. All right, that's all for now, and I will see you on our boards. And again, go Gators! And thanks so much for allowing me to be a part of your journey here at Eastern Gateway Community College. All right, take care now. Bye bye.